yo. Hey yo, what's up on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this hair trimmer from Madeshow. So the name Madeshow, it's not written anywhere on this box. The model number of this hair trimmer is G9G. So here you got a symbol, so I don't really know what that is. And yo, it's a chrome blade. Got a chrome blade. It comes with two blades. One is big and one is small. Got 7,000 RPM, and the motor is quiet. Okay, side. Let's see. Nothing on the back side. So I really like the way they made this one, because it's written in Chinese language and then English. You know, that's a fade blade. That's what they wrote. And the moving blade. So battery indicator. Also got a hanging hook. Okay, and the content inside. Little brush, oil, screwdriver, and this one is to set the blade setter, something like that. So got 3 screws. Okay, blade protector. And this is the extra blade, the bigger one. Okay, and the adapter. Now the model number G9G. We got 1.5 hours charging time and 2.5 hours operating time with a 6.5 watts. Okay, and I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can buy this hair trimmer. So now let's open it. Inside comes with a manual. So this is the screwdriver. Okay, and it comes with a European adapter, which is good. So this is the charging cable. Okay, this is the extra screws. Okay, and little brush. This is the blade setter. And this is the extra blade. Okay, as you can see, it's a Madeshow GTX blade, which is good. And this is it. So nothing else inside. So this is the trimmer. The bottom charging port, and the hanging hook, which is good. I made a teardown video already a long time ago, so if I still find it, I'm gonna add it on this video also. And here's the power button, LCD display. It doesn't really show the numbers. I mean, I don't know, you're gonna see it. And here is a rubber grip, something like that, but very small. So it looks good. This is the small blade, which is good. So you can zero gap it 2 ways. Either you loosen these 2 screws, push it forward or backwards, or wait a moment, or you use this one. Okay, if you want to use this one, you just you just put it here and turn it, so it will be pushing the cutter blade forward. So you should be very, very careful with this, you know. So now sound check. Like I said before, the LCD display, it doesn't show the number. I mean, it doesn't show the percentage of the battery or something like that. Just like this, or when you are charging it. That's it. And as you can hear, it's not that powerful, but the blade is sharp. Okay, so now let's try to change the blade. So you can see. See? So I guess with the bigger blade, the RPM is also less. So this is it. Yo, this trimmer is not powerful, but the blades are really good. Really good. But this trimmer is not powerful. when I was tearing down this hair trimmer, I damaged the connections between the battery and the motherboard, and thank God I got this one. So I soldered it again and it's all good. It was because the glue was too hard, so everything's okay now. That's it for the unboxing of this Madeshow G9G, and peace.